Hello, welcome back to my shop. We're going to be building a little small welding stand where I can weld up some small projects. All the stuff we're going to need for this project, and we can start looking for stuff right now. I dug out some stuff in the shed for the base for the welding platform, the small one, and we're going to take some of this stuff back into the garage. All right, I pulled some of this stuff out of my shed. I'm going to clean it up a little bit for it ain't so dirty. And then we're going to have to still look for more stuff out of the shed and some more parts we're going to need to do this project. And then it'll come out real nice. I'm gonna unbolt this pedestal so I can press this in. All right, I took this piece off. It's all corroded and rusty. I'm gonna go get a new piece of pipe and for this stand. This is a cast iron stand, and it's pretty heavy duty, so I think it'll work out fine. But I need to get a new piece of pipe. Finished turning this bushing down to fit in here. Now I'm just gonna press it in. It'll be a press fit. Alrighty, I'm gonna press this piece into here, but I want to clean this end up first. I'm going to deburr this. Put this bushing in here. I'm going to press this bushing on, and then this part is going to be done. Very good. It's come out real nice. And then I can spin the platform up and down, whatever's comfortable for me when I'm welding. All right, I finished that up, and now this is what it's going to look like. It must be 100 degrees in my garage. And it's going to sit on there like that. And I'm going to make a bottom for this with three threaded bolts. And then I can bolt it to the bottom of this platform, so I can always take it apart, recycle it if I need to, or whatever I'm working on. All right, I made up this piece the other day, and I'm gonna put it in here, weld it, and I'm gonna prep this to weld. I beveled this for I can put a little gap on this to weld it, and then it'll bond good. Already? All right, I finished welding this, and I just put 3 good welds on it. I didn't go all the way around because it doesn't have to hold up the world. And I drilled and tapped these holes. That way it'll mount in the stand like that, and it'll be good. All right, I finished fastening the bottom with the 3 bolts. It's 1/4 20, tap, and it's nice and solid, and I leveled it up and everything. Now I'm just gonna prep it, clean it up, and then I'm gonna spray paint it black, all right? I finished painting it. It's getting dry and everything looks good on it. And this will be the end of this video. And then I'll start welding up the base of the top for the small welding table. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.